Hey guys, it's Kim here with Verily Fiber Fun. Thanks for joining me on this carder unboxing video. This is the Brother Drum Carder's Baby Carder, the standard one. They have the standard and the deluxe, and I ordered the standard. I also ordered the accessories kit because I wanted the packing brush and the clamp and the doffer. I think that's what that little sharp tool is. Anyway, it came really well packed, and you know, when I went to order Brother Drum Carder, they were out of these. They were completely out of stock, and I sent them an email and I asked them, would you please let me know when you will have these back in stock, because I want to purchase one. And they responded immediately within a couple of hours and told me they would try to remember. They should have them in a couple of weeks. And then when they did come in, I got an email immediately and went ahead and ordered this baby standard drum carder and the accessory kit, which came with the little tiny brush and the bigger brush. I'm in love with this tiny thing. It is so adorable, and it cleans this carder really well. I haven't used the big one yet. The packing brush does all the packing I need, and it's just wonderful. You'll get to see me use it for the first time here in just a minute. And it came really well packed, like intense amounts of packing paper in here. This drum carder wasn't going anywhere in the box, and I had a little bit of a hard time getting it out, but you know, better to overpack than to underpack, right? I'm delighted with the weight, the size, the tips, the teeth per inch TPI, the packing drum, how easy it is to use, the customer care that I received, and I can't say anything bad about Brother Drum Carder at this point. I can only say good things. And this little tiny carder, look at this. I'm the proud owner of it. This little tiny carder makes just over 1 ounce bats. I mean, you can pack a crap ton on this thing. And you don't have to be super careful and about how you card. Like my other carder, if you don't do it just right, it isn't going to card smoothly. I have a Howard brush standard drum carder, and this one is a million times easier to use due to its size, how the teeth are made. They don't cling to the fibers, or they don't cause the fibers to cling to them. I mean, it's just everything about this carder is amazing. Taking the bat off is super easy. This is the first pass. At the end, I'll show you a picture of what the bats look like after 3 runs through the carder. I did discover that I have to take itty bitty nibbles off of this while breaking the bat, and having it clamped to the table makes a big difference too. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed today's unboxing video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you again next time. Bye, guys!